Hello, everyone, and welcome to this live session with your host, Radio Effects. So, as we do every weekdays, we're looking at the indices and the Forex market in regards to the with the EMXAI. This is my own customized indicator here. So, we're just gonna look at the market. So, it's already moving, and let me share my screen so we could start. If there's any questions, let me know. You could put the questions in the chat box and I will answer them. So, all right, perfect. Okay, so let's look at the market, the current market. So I'm just gonna make sure that I'm on the 15 minute because we look at the 15-minute movement here. So we got a few signal that came in. Fifteen, perfect. So let's look at the signals here. So we had NASDAQ, Euro USD, and SSP 500 going short. So let's look at them. Give me 2 seconds. I'm just gonna close make some modification here on something. And all right, perfect. So let's look at US 30. So at 9:30 we had a buy signal here on US 30, and basically the buy signal came in at this price here. So it's pushing up right now. So it's already at reach already TP1, reaching TP2 and TP3. So that's great. Let's look at SSP 500. SSP 500 looking bearish. So this is off of the 15-minute Renko. Just double check if I have the right window on this one in the settings. Yeah, it's not the right Renko. So disregard. I'm just gonna close this out. and load the right perfect. So we did have a buy here. Let's look at NASDAQ. So NASDAQ is selling off right now. We had two sales on NASDAQ. Already reached TP1 since the start of the session. Let's see. Yeah, hold on. I'm just going to make sure that I open the door for my cat because she wants to get out, as always. All right. So we did hit TP1 on NASDAQ this morning, really fast. So we're looking forward to sell off. And we had like a few sell signals here that came in since yesterday. As you could see, we had sells here around in the afternoon yesterday. So we had two sells. And basically, it's a continuation of that sell currently. So we're looking to go short still on those trades. So already hit TP1. So we're creating our next candle here. Since it's 9:45. So let's see how everything goes. So if you were on that trade already, you would be already in profit. So make sure to secure your profits here. But we're expecting to go maybe short still because we don't have a bullish wrinkle bar that is created and no notification here saying that we're going up for now. So this is where we're at with the trade. So let's look at other markets. So Euro USD. So Euro USD is still bearish. Still bearish on Euro USD. Let me make sure that I change the time. There you go. And that we're on right wrinkle. No, it's not there. So let's see. I'm just gonna load it up. Currently, I'm testing a few things here with different type of setup. So right now, this is Euro USD. So we had a sell signal here at 9:30 on the off of the 50-minute chart. So it's going towards TP1, looking for TP2 and TP3. And let's look at GBUSD. Whoops. Yeah, it's correct. There you go. So GBUSD had a sell. Had a sell signal here. since yesterday and still selling off right now. So basically, you already hit your TP3. Sorry. So at what is it? That was at 3:30 a.m. yesterday. There was a sell signal, and it's still running right now. And Euro GBP, let's see. Euro GBP, we had a buy. Made sense. Look at this. This trade was basically was was the TPs here. So it went almost to it reached TP3 and bounced out. So it's perfect. So if we look at the previous setups, are looking good. So we'll look at so if you were on that trade yesterday, there was two buys at I'm just gonna change the settings that we're seeing here. Boom, boom. There we go. So yesterday's trade was here at 9:30. So that was the buy. It went to basically TP3 here. It went to TP3. So it reached TP3 this morning, basically. All right. So you see, we had US 30 is moving right now beautifully. So the entry was right here. So it's right. It's currently going on TP one. Already reached TP one. So we're expecting to have a bullish movement here overall. And as you saw, it was still bullish since Monday. So if you have taken those trades here going up, this hit TP3. So it's already reached TP3. This one too. So basically those three hit TP3. Fourth one hit TP3. This one hit, those two hit TP3. And this one hit TP3 this morning. And now we have another buy here that hit TP1 right now. All right, so let's look at the SSP 500. So it's very strange. The SSP 500 is like moving at the opposite way for some reason. So we find perfect. I'm just gonna double check the settings. Yep, perfect. So SSP 500 here is yeah, we had a push down, but we're expecting to have still a bullish movement here in the market. So it may reverse. All right. Yeah. So in the background, I'm doing like automation. So I'm just testing out a few things here. Sorry. Just gonna minimize that. So Euro USD since basically Wednesday, yesterday, we're looking at only bullish movement here. Bearish movement. So all the cells that came in were following the actual trend. So all of them were winners. Even those trade going bullish here, all of them hit TPs. So so if you look at, I'm just gonna go here. That was Friday, Monday. This Monday, we started with the buy signals. And all of them were winners. So all of them hit TP3. And then when it did a switch, all of them hit all of those trades hit TP3, and currently we're running this trade here. All right, so let's look at Euro GBPUSD. So GBPUSD, same thing. So if we look at, let me remove the I'm gonna remove the wrinkle bars in the back, so that way it's gonna be cleaner. Because the signals are based off of the wrinkle bars too. So, and it's gonna plot your TP and stop loss. So it will give you the best signals here. So if you were, if you were on trades here since Monday, you were in buys, you're buying until Tuesday it started a little bit to reverse, so it went down and then it went back up, and now since Thursday this morning, we had a big push down. So at London session went down. So if you were in that trade at London, you would have hit TP three already this morning. Actually, hit TP. Eh ben, all right. So let's recap on the pairs, and we'll basically close out the session earlier today. I have a meeting here to go, so still be on for at least maybe the next 8 minutes here. For now, we only had like the trades, the US 30 SSE 500 and Euro USD trade that came in. Um, if you took those trades here, you should be in profit. So basically, if we look at the Euro GBP, like I said, Euro GBP, all of those trades here since let's see here, since Wednesday. So Wednesday morning, if you do Euro GBP, those trades were all in profit. So they all hit TP3. Even this one, that was a beautiful trade. So if you got in this candle here, so as you see the price of where you expect it to get in, and then you have the price that the wick touch the TP3 zone right there. Okay, and then reversed. So that was a good setup here. Right now, this trade here hit the TP1. and and um, and it's starting to reverse a little bit. Perfect. And let's see here. So Nasdaq. This is the update for Nasdaq. Still pushing down. Beautiful trade. So if you were in Nasdaq, that's best trade here so far. All right. So SSP 500. That's the updated. That's the update on SSP 500. So still pushing down. So you see, some trader would get out of the trade here because of this candle, but we still have a push down in the market. So as long as the Orenco color is still in the same color here, same direction, you're keeping your trade open. So that's why you have the option to put the Renko on or off. So that way you could see exactly where the next zones are in the left. But like I said, your TPs are really based off of Renko, the next Renko's zones here. And it always going to respect those zones, always. Okay. So it did hit the first TP zone. Okay. So even though it's really near your entry, this is basically a point of interest because sometime it's going to reverse and go back up. So that way, you know exactly that if your trade is right here, you just take a partial profit and just let the rest run, and make sure to put your stop loss lower than what is expected here, or you just wait until you get a notification saying that it's going to switch back up, or it's going to switch green. That means that it's going bullish, and that will be the indication of closing out your trades and going in the other direction. All right. So we'll close it out right now, guys. So it's really the last day of the month. So most of the moves were done already. So and tomorrow is NFP. So we'll be on tomorrow for NFP and see exactly what type of movement we're gonna have in the market using EMXAI. So that'll be the first time that we're gonna do EMXAI live session with version 5. So the latest update, sorry, updated version of EMX AI, and see exactly if it's gonna call out the move maybe at the same time as the news event comes in. Okay, because if you trade news with EMXAI, most of the time you're gonna be in the same direction as the market. Okay, so that being said, I wish everyone a wonderful day, and we'll catch you on tomorrow, same time. So it's gonna be a good session here tomorrow. Okay, peace.